This video demonstrates how to buy shares of Hybrid Software Group PLC as a practical example. The company develops digital workflow and production software for packaging and labels. Hybrid Software Group PLC is listed on Euronext under the ticker HYSG.BR, and this is an educational guide, not personal financial advice. To trade, you need a regulated broker, and we use eToro here as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will normally be asked to verify your account with an identity document and to add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HYSG.BR to locate Hybrid Software Group PLC. Make sure you select the listing that shows Euronext and the exact HYSG.BR symbol. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct asset. Double-check the exchange listing shows Euronext and the ticker HYSG.BR before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then review all details and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if your account lacks funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your trade is executed, the new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below if you want to review the platform details.